I'm out here getting ready to go creek fishing for some smallmouth, red eye, whatever else I can catch. So right underneath this tree is a good hole. Maybe we can catch a nice smallie. To be honest, I don't care what I catch as long as it's a fish. Oh, problems of having a sticky hook. So typically for creek fishing, you want like a 5 foot, 5, 6 foot fishing rod. I got a 6'8". Gets the job done. Certainly helps me get longer casts. I know there's one in there. Oh, I got it. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah. Good for a creek bass. Nice smallie. Yeah, boys. We got us on the fish. Let me loosen up my line a little bit. Drag. Look at that. Perfect. Good size. I didn't bring my scale with me, so you can tell he was on the bed. So where's she at? Huh? Where's the sweetie at? Where's the big girl? There he goes. Smallmouths are aggressive creek fish. Oh, he ate my tail. Let's see if I can still catch one. See if I can still catch a fish without a tail. Let's see. Nah, I think I might have to get a tail. Wait. Oh, ho, ho, ho. He chased it. There was another one. See? There we go. There we go. What we got? Got a red eye? Yeah, we got ourselves a red eye. A nice little chunky one. See? Creek fish are just aggressive and they'll eat anything. He's a good one. Thanks for playing, bro. Thanks for playing. Oh, that's no good. In the tree branch. Oh, and to that tree branch. Now, fellas, it's okay to make mistakes. Just try not to make them too often. There we go. Now, when you go through a situation like that, always recheck your line. Make sure there's no tears in it. Looks good. Hook's not bent. Alrighty. Now you see why, fellas, it's always good to have a shorter rod, so you don't make mistakes like me. Well, that was the last of my big tails. So we're gonna go to my small boys. There we go. We got what we got on. What do we got? Red eye. Oh, he choked it. Oh, didn't have a good grip on that one. Nice little red eye. Like I'm telling you guys, these fish are aggressive. Ain't nothing like creek fishing. Let's see what we get. Got one. What do we got? Another smallmouth? Nope, we got ourselves a horny toad, fellas. Look how he came up on that. There he goes. There we go. I knew one was in here. What we got? What we got? Another horny toad. So this is what I was told is called a horny toad because of this peak right here. Beautiful looking fish. Very aggressive. There he goes. Take me to the smallmouth. There's one. There's one. Nice little red eye. Small one. Man. You greedy, bro. Greedy. Greedy. Right there. Oh, he's a fighter. Smallie. Look how aggressive he is, guys. Like, how do you not want to catch a smallie from the creek? Trust me, they get bigger, guys. They get bigger. Don't let that one fool you. I know he's in there. That's not the one I was looking for. But, oh, nice red eye. Not the species I wanted. Nothing. All right. Oh, got one. What is that? That's a bigger horny toad, man. Come on. Like, come on. See how aggressive he is? There he goes. I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was a trout. When I saw that line on that side of him. It's probably the furthest upstream I've ever been. Can't be the same one. No, he's smaller. Another horny toad. Look, eats grass. I'm gonna throw you that way. Look at him. Just cruising. All right, guys. Went up further up the stream. Wasn't really catching much, so there was no point of recording. Oh, now we're on. Just had to get where the fish were at. Another red eye, a little chubby one too. Calm down. What we got here? Ooh, that's what we've been looking for, fellas. That's what we've been looking for. Look at the size of him. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's go, fella. Whoo. Oh, man, I should have brought a net. Look at that. That's what we were looking for. Shoo. Man. This is what I came for. This is why I like creek fishing. Can't see what he's eating, but pretty good size. Smallmouth, bro. PA's best. Ah. Sorry, but I gotta take a picture of this because I knew there was one in here. Pretty good size. Wow. Let's get a good release on him or her. Look at that. Beautiful. That is what I was looking for. Oh, man. That is the reason why I fish. That was a good feeling. Seeing you guys be driving by creeks, not knowing that we got some good smallies in Lancaster. Thank you for playing. Well, I got a nice little red eye in there. Calm down. Choked it. Beautiful fish. Another one. Rock bass or red eye. Oh, we on, boys, we on. Choked it. There we go. What we got? Little baby smallmouth. Lost that one. Well, YouTube, my GoPro ended up dying on me. Had a great time anyway, still continued to fish. Beautiful day, couldn't ask for a better day. Please like and subscribe to my channel, show your support, and thanks again for watching.